Are you experiencing Amazon Fire Stick error code 4203? Then you are at the right place. We have got some easy ways to fix the issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Clear the app cache and force stop the problematic app. You mostly get the 4203 error while watching the CBC Gem app on Fire Stick. To fix the issue, force stop the app and clear the app cache. Go to Settings, then select Applications. Next, select Manage Installed Applications. Select the app. Here we are selecting this app for example. Choose Force Stop and then Clear Cache. Relaunch the app and see if the issue is resolved. Method 2. Restart the Fire Stick. The next thing you can do is restart the Fire Stick. Unplug the Fire Stick from power. Wait for a couple of minutes. Plug the Fire Stick back in and turn it on. Try accessing the app again. Method 3. Check for app updates. Ensure the problematic app is up to date. Go to Settings, select My Fire TV, then select About and select Check for updates. If available, download and install the updates. Method 4. Uninstall and reinstall the CBC Gem app. If the methods shown don't work, try uninstalling the app, then reinstalling it from the Amazon App Store. You can also go to Settings on your Fire TV device. Select Applications. Select Manage Installed Applications. Select the app you want to uninstall and then uninstall. Follow the on-screen instructions. Install the app again and see if the error persists this time. And there you have it. The ways to fix Amazon Fire Stick error code 4203. We hope one of the methods have worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which method helped you to fix the issue. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.